RC
Model Geeks. And here we are in the shed
once again
for another exciting episode of building the Miles Hawk Major. Number 2.
Yeah.
In fact. So, where did we leave off? We left off last time by gluing some bits together. Now, for the observant among you who might have this kit, we actually missed off the second one of these doublers. There's actually 2 of these A17 doublers on each side. But I put that in. I spotted that little mistake, put that in. They're done. Lovely jubbly. These are like, yeah, a brick shithouse. Brick shithouse. Also, while we wasn't videoing, I doubled these up, A2s. There's 2 of those and 2 of the other one over there. Blah blah blah. Did all that right. So I've sort of got slightly ahead of the game, so we can just start assembling stuff again. So the next thing is to assemble the engine mount, really, the whole box section at the front, right? Which is made up of quite a few bits. We just need to do a little bit of fetlage, just to get the things to fit in the holes proper, like. And that bit goes on the back there. I mean, you know, we've got to put a taper on this as well. It's a bit of wood. Yeah. There's more somewhere. There's the engine mount. That slots in there. I did actually assemble all this lot loosely when it was all gluing off to make it line up. Where's that going to go? What do you reckon? Down the bottom here?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, another little taper needed on there for that butt joint, and then that goes on there. As you can see, I mean, actually that slots goes together, but not too bad. Yeah, and then obviously the engine's going to be mounted on the front of that. Look at that motherfucker. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, if you think it looks a little bit weird, it's because that actually sits like that. That isn't vertical. It sits back like that.
Yeah.
So this is a project for the day, and whatever else we think of, right? Is to get this all assembled. I had to buy the servos because we need to get them mounted in, because once this is all together, you can't really get in here.
No.
So we need to varnish all this and have everything all sort of complete.
Yeah.
Before we glue it together, right? Because we don't want fuel and shit soaking into everything.
No.
There's nothing worse than fuel and shit in everything.
That'd be bad.
Yeah, it would, wouldn't it? Yeah, so I bought 5 servos. There's another little plate that will go at the back here of this somewhere. That needs servos in it as well. So we'll do that. Yeah, and then we'll see how far we get. Yeah. You never know, we might have, by the end of the day, this whole centre section assembled. It weighs a ton though, doesn't it? I was going to weigh it just for the hell of it, but I can't see my scales anywhere. It'd be interesting to know how much this lot weighs. I mean, it's heavy. I swear that's about 1 kilo. Just those 2 sides. You know, it's certainly not a light. Ah, there it is.
Yeah.
Right. After aimlessly wandering around, he finds it.
Excellent.
Ready?
Yes.
Half a kilo, those 2 sides.
Yeah.
Should we add the
Box.
box?
That's 746 grams. That's not, no, that's 813.
is not light, and that's only the front half of the plane.
Yeah.
God. Right. Anyway, we're going to get on, eh, Cole?
Yeah.
And we'll see how far we get.
Okay, be back soon.
Back soon. We're zipping along.
We have not been idle.
So there is the whole engine mount debacle. It's not glued together yet. That is just fettled and slotted together. We're going to, because I haven't got all of the required parts for the engine at the moment, we're not going to glue that in.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, but we're going to assemble it with that in there for now, but not to put no glue on it, so that everything lines up. Yeah, we'll glue the rest of it.
Yeah.
And then we'll varnish the inside so we don't forget. Right. Yeah, and then just slot that in for now. We had to do some taperage, didn't we? We had to taper this firewall plate here. You can see it's got quite an angle on it now compared to what it did have.
Yeah.
And also this A4 needs to taper in at the top and the bottom as well, so that it all slots together nicely. Yeah, looking good. And then we've also, this is the servo mounting plate for the elevator and rudder servos, and that goes basically, it's going to slot in here like that.
Yeah.
So we've done that as well, made sure that the servos fit in the holes.
Yeah.
And we've glued some plates on the back just to give it a bit more bite. The servo screw is really long.
Yeah.
On these servos. So, yeah, and then we've just got to drill them now for the servo screws, and then that's done out the way. Yeah, there's nothing worse than trying to drill stuff out when it's installed in the plane.
Yeah. In your
So
very tiny
do
drill.
it first. It makes it 10 times bloody easier. Right, think ahead.
Yes.
So yeah, we'll drill them, get this glued, and then come back to you.
Yeah.
So we've been busy, haven't we, Mad Colin?
Oh yes.
Yes, we had a nice croissant and cappuccino coffees.
And a Cadbury's cream egg.
Cadbury's cream egg, yes, indeed. And we've also done this. So that is all glued together, fettled together, sanded, ready to go. Like I said, we're not gluing that in yet because we haven't got the parts that need to bolt onto that. But that will slot in there, and that finishes that whole front, which is good. We drilled the holes in there, blah blah blah, servos, blah 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 blah. So it's on to the next part, whatever that may be. I've got a feeling it's gluing that onto this super heavyweight section.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see though. We'll go and read the instructions and come back
Okay.
when we've worked it out.
We are progressing after the near-death experience.
Near-death experiences. Luckily, we was both wearing glasses.
Yes.
Oh, by the way, I've got to wear glasses now.
Death by clamp.
Yeah, death by clamp. Yeah, it's quite funny with it. We was tapping in a bit of wood. It's just like precision engineering, right? You know. Yeah. And massive fucking clamp flying through the air straight into your head, didn't it?
Yeah. And then
I was laughing my head off, wasn't I?
Was, and guess what?
And guess what? The other one flew off and smacked me right in the face as well. Health and safety.
Yeah, in the world of modelling.
Yeah. So, look at this.
Oh yeah.
Isn't it big? It's really easy, this, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, God, building a big plane is actually 10 times easier than building a little one.
Oh, definitely.
Especially if you've got like big hands.
Oh yeah.
I haven't got big hands. Oh, yeah, look, it fucking flew off and did the wood. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, we're getting there. So we've got these cross brace bits in here. We've got the front on. We've got the servo tray in there. And the next thing is there's some ply, 1mm ply that goes over the bottom that we've got to put on. So we'll do that, and then I don't know if we'll get any more done today. What's that? Oh no, we've done that. Yeah, so we just got to get this bit of ply on here. And what's this here? Oh, there's a bit that goes in there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we've got to do that as well. So a couple of bits in there, that's a bit of finagling. I mean, do you know what? It really doesn't need it. There's so much strength in this plane. You know, you'll be able to stand on this.
Oh, yeah.
In actual fact, when we've done this bit, I think I'm going to demonstrate how strong this is and stand on it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What, all £305?
Fuck off. You know it's only 290. Right. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So we're going to get on with a bit more. Get that on there. Get that on there. Get that on there. Bob's your uncle, right?
Yeah.
So we're done for the day, aren't we?
Well done.
Well done. But that centre section is pretty much now together. We've got the plywood on the floor there. Just gluing off. Everything else is sort of in there. So yeah, I mean that's as far as we got. But it was a big bit of plane.
Yeah, definitely.
See what the cowley looks like on it. I know we're quite sand, but. Let's drop the Kowloon on the plume.
Blimey.
That fitted nice, didn't it?
Didn't it? Yeah.
Eh? It ain't going to be long for this. This plane's built. Tell you. So the prop guy better get his finger out and score me an electric start.
Yes. We need it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's looking good. That is nice actually. That fits really good. Nice. It's a beast, isn't it?
It's going to be big.
It's a right tool.
Yeah, a right tool.
A right tool. Yeah, so there you go. What more can we say, really?
Not a lot.
No, not a lot. Until the next one.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll get that back end on
Yeah.
in the next one. I know we've got to put some formers in here and stuff, and you know, stuff down there. But, and then wing. Yeah. Awesome. So, like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I've joined a model club. I know. I'm sorry, guys. I couldn't help myself.
Okay.
Anyway, that's enough of that.
Yeah.
I'll spank myself later.
Okay.
See you all in the next video.
Yeah.
Cheers. Goodbye from my Colin there.
Oh yeah, and it's goodbye from Captain Rob.
Thanks, mate. Oh, you bastard. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching Captain Rob's RC Model Geeks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click that like button. If you want to see more of the same type of videos, don't forget you can subscribe. If you want to support us, you can use PayPal, paypal.me/RC Model Geeks. If If you want to contact us, you can email us rcmodelgeeks@gmail.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.